This is Lisa with Nature's Gem CBD Health and Wellness. I'm going to show you how to use our balm on a tight neck. We're at the store, and so I get a lot of people coming in. They get headaches, they're getting tight necks, maybe they got some shoulder pain going on here. So obviously we talk about using our balm and our topical. So what you do when you're using a balm is you just need a little bit. A little bit is going to go a long way. I'm going to put that on my fingertip. Add a little magnesium oil. Just a little bit goes a long way, but the magnesium oil really helps to elongate out the balm and makes it nice and liquefied, and then really rub it into the neck. So you're going to spend about a good minute or two just making sure that you get it into the neck nice and deep. Once that is done, I want to show you what's really important, called the stretch. So the stretch is like this. You're going to take your head, and let's say this is my tight side. So if this is my tight side, I'm going to look over to my opposite side. I'm going to take my hand, I'm going to bring it to my ear. I'm going to take my other hand, then I'm going to put it on my shoulder, and I'm going to look through my armpit, and I'm going to pull in opposition, meaning that I'm lifting my hand that's by my ear towards the ceiling as I'm bringing my other hand down to my shoulder. Then you're going to hold this for about 30 seconds. When you get out of this, the big thing to remember is to release it slowly, very, very, very slowly. The chin comes up, release the hand, look straight ahead. Do the other side too. So I'm going to look over, I'm going to bring my hand up to my ear, my other hand to my shoulder, and I'm going to go in opposition. I'm lifting my hand towards the ceiling by my ear, my other hand's pressing down, and hold it for 30 seconds. Slowly release. Chin comes up and look straight ahead. You might hear some popping. You might do this. You might hear your neck crack a little bit. That's okay. Releasing that pressure. Do this as often as you want. Just make sure when you release it slowly. So whenever you're doing traction, you have to remember and think about it this way. Let's say, traction is we're pulling the tendon or the muscles apart, and then we slowly bring it back together so that we can get it nice and stretched and release. When a muscle is tight, the muscle's like this. If you put the balm on there, we can get it like this, but then it's going to seize back up, which is why we always say what's one piece of the whole. You have to do the stretch so that the balm can do this, and then the stretch can bring it like this, which is going to release that pain long term. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to me at lisa@naturesgemcbd.com.